Look at my dude.
You foul hooked it. Do you want me to get under? Okay, he's gonna mix it. You always assume that saltwater fish have fins. I don't know how you hooked him there.
Well, debatable.
Looks like a trout.
I should use him as bait.
Nah.
Ooh, yummy.
Hooked him right in the stomach. Poor bugger.
Nice.
Poor bugger. So they got that small mouths.
They stole it.
Oh, he's got teeth.
Does he?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Tell us what this is in the comments. It looks like a sea trout or something.
Redfin.
Ready? Ready? For the... See you later, dude. He just hooked up again about 10 minutes later.
Another fishy.
Same fish. I don't know what these are.
Another fishy.
I'm pretty sure they're trout. Like coral trout. You can unhook this one, they got no spikes.
Another fishy.
Hurry up.
But they got...
This is what been biting your bait. Oh! They don't bite. There's nothing spiky on them. Don't step on it.
He's a bit small, but... Hey!
Oh my god. Oh, pussy. Don't step on it. It's not helping anyone. Just lift it up. Hold the fish. Stop being scared. Watch, I'll get bites. Set that hook pretty hard. Straight through its nostril. Savage. It's got little teeth.
Oh, hold on.
What's his name?
Bill.
See you later, dude. High five. We've just moved spots to this pier. We were just fishing there before. Sorry about the wind.
Caught the mullet. I caught the third fish.
Can you hold mine? Do you want me to unhook it again?
Yeah, okay.
We're throwing him back. Oh, he's got spikes. Hang on. He's not. Second time, nah, not spiking me. Game over. Stop biting the hook.
He's a bit bigger than my other fish.
Is that good?
Yep.
See you later, dude. Oh, almost didn't make it.
Now to catch him
Scales.
again.
He's just hooked
Oh, he's
up
already
again.
hooked.
He's just got to pick him up, throw him in.
He's got spikes though.
No, he doesn't.
Does
Just
he?
pick him up under the belly. No spikes there. It's not going to hurt you.
Bloody hell. Stop flopping around. Oh, I thought I hooked him again.
Just pick it up.
No,
It's
he
not.
keeps moving.
You're losing his scales. He's going to die. Pick him up. Pick him up.
Oh, I did.
That guy's just got one over there.
Did he?
Yeah. Just pick the damn fish up.
Ah.
Stop being a pussy. Just grab it. Just grab it. Yeah, it won't spike you there.
Yeah. Dude, that's so
Being
easy.
a pussy. I still yet to catch my first one.
I'm on 4.
Good one? Oh, that's a fair good one. Oh, that's actually a really good one. Oh, yes. Oh, Jesus. That's a fair fish. Shut up. How long? What's that? About 20?
Can we keep it?
Nice.
Yeah.
So much sand on my legs. We'll just check them out.
There's heaps of sand.
Two bait.
Oh well.
Ready? No, we'll get a live action. Drop the bait in. We'll start. Oh. Yo! Come back when I catch one, because I haven't caught one yet. Oh, he's got one. Oh, that's a feed. Come on, lift her in. Yeah, she's good. Stay there. Push it on! Yeah? Just. Yeah, still there. I'm pretty sure. I can see the head shakes. Head shakes. Oh, he's a small one. Oh, I just had a bite. Oh, Jesus. Nah, he's not a keeper. Bring him up.
Can I keep him?
Tighten your drag.
Oh, shit.
Try. So the title of this would probably be Catch and Cook. Yo, so far we've got 5 fish. There's seagulls all around me. Lockie's going to get chips because we're hungry. And yeah, it's like a slow day. So, not sure what we're going to do, but yeah. It's the next day and I'm home and now I'm gonna fillet the fish. So first I'm gonna scale them, then fillet them, then try and skin them. If that doesn't work, I keep the skin on, and then cook them, eat them, tell you how it is, and yeah, let's go. We have finished up the fillets there, so we're going to put salt and pepper on them, cook them with butter, and then when we're all done, 2 damn lemons. Okay, he's done. Phone just went flat, it's on charge now. So, wait, let me just even all these out first. Just ran out of storage, just cleaned some stuff up, put the salt and pepper on, now we'll go into cooking. Just got them in the pan. You probably can't see, hold up. Turn all that on. Okay, that's better. Got them in the pan. They're going to cook up and then we'll get to the taste test. You want to try it? Fish is all cooked. Tasty. I've never tried mullet before, so lemons. Cut this bad boy open. In before, no juice in them. Oh yeah. Oh. Put that there. My hands are all lemony. Do you want a piece? Out. First bite, we'll go with this small piece. Tastes like doesn't taste too bad because of the way I cooked it. Bone. Oh, I felt that bone. Let's try a big piece. Oh, big one. If we can get to 20 thumbs up, 20, I will do another catch and cook and comment below what I should do it with. So, like, subscribe, peace.